You won't believe what's hiding in your carpet. Did you know that your average carpet can hold up to 4 times its weight in dirt, including dust mites, pet dander, and bacteria? Even worse, standard vacuums barely scratch the surface, but Dyson vacuums, they don't just clean, they dominate. In this video, we're revealing the top 5 best Dyson vacuums of 2025, breaking down their features, power, and performance so you don't waste money on the wrong one. Whether you need deep cleaning suction for carpets, laser detecting technology for hidden dust, or the ultimate pet hair remover, we've got the best of the best lined up for you. Stick around to find out which Dyson vacuum outshines the rest and which one is the best for your home. We start with the Dyson vacuum placed at the number 5 spot, the Dyson Ball Animal 3. Priced at around $300, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is a powerful upright vacuum designed for deep cleaning carpets and handling pet hair efficiently. It builds on the success of its predecessor with strong suction, improved maneuverability, and a redesigned cleaner head for better performance on various floor types. Also, do remember that all links are in the description below. One of the standout features is the adjustable cleaner head, which allows larger debris to pass through easily. This helps prevent the vacuum from getting stuck on thick carpets and rugs. The active hair removal system, hair removal vanes, is another major upgrade, preventing pet hair from tangling around the brush roll, making it an excellent choice for pet owners. The vacuum retains Dyson's whole machine HEPA filtration system, capturing 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns. This ensures allergens and dust remain trapped inside instead of being released back into the air. The 15-foot hose and wand provide extended reach for cleaning stairs, ceilings, and tight spaces. While the Ball Animal 3 is slightly heavy, its ergonomic ball design makes steering easier. The 50-foot total reach, 35-foot cord plus extended hose, reduces the need for frequent repositioning. With a price of $300, the Dyson Ball Animal 3 is a top choice for homes with carpets and pets, offering exceptional cleaning power, durability, and advanced filtration. Coming in at number 4 is the Dyson V8. Priced at around $350, the Dyson V8 is a lightweight and versatile cordless vacuum, ideal for pet owners and everyday cleaning. Weighing just 5.5 pounds, it is easy to maneuver and effectively removes pet hair, dust, and debris from various surfaces. Assembling the vacuum is straightforward, with 3 main parts: the canister, stick, and cleaner head, snapping together quickly. It arrives partially charged but requires 5 hours for a full charge. The optional docking station allows for convenient storage and automatic charging. The wall installation may not be ideal for renters. The Dyson V8 includes multiple attachments for added versatility. The crevice tool reaches tight spaces, while the combination brush transforms the vacuum into a handheld cleaner for cars and upholstery. Its swivel head design makes navigating around furniture easy. Performance tests show strong suction on carpets and rugs, efficiently picking up dust, crumbs, and hair. On hard floors, it collects small debris like sugar but may push larger debris forward. The boost mode increases suction but drains the battery in under 7 minutes, while standard mode lasts up to 29 minutes. The HEPA filtration system captures 99.99% of microscopic particles, making it great for allergy sufferers. At a price of $350, the Dyson V8 is an excellent choice for those needing a portable, efficient, and pet-friendly vacuum. Next up, taking the 3rd spot in our video list is the Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute. Priced at around $800, the Dyson Gen 5 Detect Absolute is Dyson's most advanced cordless vacuum, offering strong suction, smart features, and improved usability. It builds on the V15 Detect, introducing refinements like an on-off button instead of a trigger, a brighter LED light on the fluffy optic floor head, and an integrated combination tool in its wand. This vacuum performs exceptionally well on hard floors, effectively picking up dust, dirt, and debris. The soft roller floor head has an LED light that reveals fine dust particles, making cleaning more thorough. Its long battery life allows for extended cleaning sessions, and the design feels more durable compared to previous models. The 4 power modes, Eco, Medium, Auto, and Turbo, adjust suction based on the surface and dirt level. The digital display shows real-time data, including battery life and particle analysis. Unlike previous models, the Gen V Detect has a removable battery, which can be charged separately or while mounted on the wall holder. Its HEPA filtration system captures fine dust and allergens, making it ideal for allergy sufferers. The hands-free dustbin emptying minimizes mess, though the fixed cyclone design makes deep cleaning harder. With a variety of attachments, including a self-cleaning carpet roller and turbo brush, the Gen V Detect handles carpets, upholstery, and hard-to-reach areas efficiently. Priced at $750, it is a powerful and feature-packed choice for those seeking top-tier cordless vacuum performance. Nearly at the top, at the number 2 position is the Dyson V12 Detect Slim. Priced at around $500, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim is a lightweight yet powerful cordless vacuum that combines smart technology with ease of use. It features auto-adjusting suction based on debris detection, thanks to a built-in particle counter. This allows it to adapt its cleaning performance automatically. One of its standout features is the green laser on the soft roller head, which highlights hidden dust particles, making cleaning more thorough. Weighing just 5.2 pounds, the V12 is easy to handle and store. Unlike previous Dyson models, it uses a single power button instead of a trigger, allowing for continuous operation without holding down a button. This is especially helpful for users with hand fatigue or arthritis. The vacuum includes an LCD screen that displays battery life, cleaning mode, and real-time dust particle data. It offers 3 modes. Eco mode maximizes battery life. Auto mode adjusts suction based on detected dust levels. Boost mode provides maximum power for deep cleaning but drains battery faster. The motor bar cleaner head is designed for both carpets and hard floors, featuring anti-tangle technology to prevent hair from wrapping around the brush. It is great for anyone with allergies, as the whole machine filtration system captures 99.99% of microscopic allergens. With a price of $505, the Dyson V12 Detect Slim is an excellent option for those seeking a compact, high-tech vacuum with strong performance and smart features. Finally, at the number 1 position is the Dyson V15 Detect. Priced at around $700, the Dyson V15 Detect is a high-performance cordless vacuum designed for deep cleaning and advanced dust detection. It features a hyperdymium motor that spins at 125,000 revolutions per minute, generating 2,239 pascals of suction power, making it one of the most powerful cordless vacuums available. This strong suction allows the V15 to remove fine dust, pet hair, and larger debris from both carpets and hard floors with ease. A standout feature is the fluffy optic cleaner head, which projects a green laser to illuminate invisible dust on hard floors. This ensures a more thorough cleaning by revealing dirt that would otherwise go unnoticed. The digital motor bar cleaner head adapts suction based on floor type and includes an automatic hair detangling system, making it ideal for pet owners. The V15 offers 3 cleaning modes. The Eco mode delivers the maximum battery life. The Auto mode adjusts the suction according to the dust and debris levels while cleaning. The Boost mode delivers maximum power, but also shortens battery life. The LCD screen displays battery life, maintenance alerts, and real-time dust analysis, providing users with useful cleaning insights. The fully sealed filtration system captures 99.99% of microscopic particles as small as 0.3 microns, and like all the other Dyson vacuum featured in this video, the V15 is also an excellent choice for those who suffer from allergies. Weighing just under 7 pounds, the V15 is lightweight and easy to maneuver. However, its trigger-style power button requires continuous holding, which may cause finger fatigue during long cleaning sessions. With up to 60 minutes of battery life and a variety of attachments, including the hair screw tool for preventing tangles, the light pipe crevice tool, and the reach under tool, the V15 Detect is a versatile and powerful cleaning tool. Priced at around $700, the Dyson V15 Detect is a top-of-the-line vacuum for those who want cutting-edge technology and superior suction performance. That's it for this video on the best Dyson vacuum cleaners of 2025. We hope you found it useful. Do like, share, and subscribe to Up on Top for more videos like this one. Also, do share your thoughts on the best vacuum cleaners in the comments section below.